Say it in English.
Past progressive. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time when an action takes place. The simple past and the past progressive are both essential verb tenses. For short past actions, we use the simple past. For longer, continuing past actions, we use either the simple past or the past progressive. In the sentence, I started working on my project at 3 p.m. yesterday. The simple past verb, started, is a short action. In the sentence, I worked on my project for 3 hours yesterday. The simple past verb, worked, shows a long action. And in the sentence, I was working on my project for 3 hours yesterday. The past progressive verb, was working, also shows a long action. Using the past progressive helps to emphasize that the action was ongoing or continuing for a period of time. How do we form the past progressive in English? We form the past progressive using the past form of the be verb, was, or were, and a verb ending in ing. For example, he was writing a report. Sarah was narrating a scary story. They were cleaning the house all morning. When do we use the past progressive? There are two common reasons to use the past progressive. 1. To show that a short action interrupts a longer action in the past. He was reading a novel. The bell rang. We often use the word when to connect these two actions. They were watching TV when the power went out last night. We also use the past progressive to show two long actions happening at the same time in the past. The word while is often used to link these two actions. I was cooking dinner while my sister was setting the table. The neighbors were playing music while we were trying to sleep. What are clauses? A clause includes both a subject and a verb. There are two types of clauses, an independent clause and a dependent clause. An independent clause forms a complete sentence by itself, whereas a dependent clause cannot stand alone. What is sentence position? When using independent and dependent clauses, their placement in a sentence can vary. Look at these examples. I was watching TV when the power went out. The independent clause is, I was watching TV. And the dependent clause is when the power went out. We can reverse the order of the clauses without changing the meaning. Note that a comma is needed when the sentence begins with a dependent clause. Let's take a look at some additional examples. She was editing a document when the laptop asked for the password. When the laptop asked for the password, she was editing a document. They were discussing their vacation plans when the phone rang. When the phone rang, they were discussing their vacation plans. Let's work on some practice exercises. Take a look at the pictures and the words in parentheses, then write them in the correct form. The delivery guy was riding his bike when it started to rain. When the phone rang, John was reading a book. When the sun set, I was driving home. He was trying to order an Uber when his phone died.
This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice what you've learned today. If you have any questions or need more practice, leave a comment below. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.